Okay, this is my father's cooler. He bought this, put it in the garage. So it's a little dirty from being out here. He's had it a couple years, but let me tell you why he loves this. Now, I grew up in a home. He always worked on a beer route when I was young, and he'd pick these coolers up from grocery stores that were switching out. And we always had these big coolers in the garage for his water and soda. So when they finally all died, he had to break down and buy one legitimately. And he tells me the reason he loves this, it's quiet. I don't hardly hear it at all. It stays at a constant temperature of 37 to 42 degrees, which he said was always an issue with the other coolers he's had watching the temperature. It has LED lights in there, so he's never having to change the bulbs. You can put your own sign up in the top here. He hasn't done anything like that. And he says he's had no water issues, no issues with the seals. Everything stays nice and cold, and he doesn't have to worry about it. So if you're looking for just this extra fridge to throw out in the garage, this is a good one. It's held up out in their garage where it gets exposed to a lot of elements. It gets cold. It's in the Midwest here. This one's been working great for the last 2 years, not a single problem. Check it out.